in the Vedic times, they would do Yajna, correct? So for the Kali Yuga, what is the Yajna? Sankirtan Yajna. In the Vedic times or in Treta Yuga, they were doing fire Yajna. So in the fire Yajna, what they would put? They would put an animal like Gomeda Yajna or Ashwamedha Yajna. If they would put a cow or a horse, it would come out as a human. And then the Yajna is considered successful. So they were not actually throwing the animals into fire for killing and eating their flesh. That was not the purpose. But when you put the animal, who will come out? The animal will take on a human body and come out. The soul gets a promotion. It's a human body. Similarly, in this age, Kali Yuga, the chanting of the holy name is actually the Yajna. You can see that the people to whom we are reaching these books, very soon they start chanting the holy name. And people who are like animals, they become like humans. Correct, no? So we are lighting up the fire of Yajna in their hearts by giving them the book. Because all of you think about your own life. You got a Prabhupada's book, you read it, then you came in the company of devotees, you took the bead bag. As soon as you chanted, all bad habits you gave up. Meat eating, gambling, intoxication, illicit sex. So your human can become an animal or you can become like an angel. So you will find this movement is producing angel-like devotees.